take it.
Just long hand, long hand.
In Balinese, we call it lasung.
Lasung.
Yeah.
In our language, we call it khal.
Ah.
Here I'm trying luwak coffee, a coffee from a potty. और वो भी luwak एनिमल है उसकी, ठीक है? तो चलो ट्राई करते हैं.
Let's start our beautiful Bali trip series. हमने अपना ट्रिप स्टार्ट किया अहमदाबाद से बाली तक YZ एयरलाइंस के साथ. जैसे ही हम बाली पहुंचे, सबसे पहले देखा एक स्टनिंग एयरपोर्ट. इतना ब्यूटीफुल लगा क्योंकि हमें अपनी ट्रिप स्टार्ट करनी थी उबुद से. सबसे पहले हमने एक लोकल ई सिम लिया ताकि पूरा ट्रिप हैसल फ्री रहे. हमने पहले से ही प्राइवेट कार विद ड्राइवर हायर कर ली थी जो बहुत ही हेल्पफुल रही. और जैसे ही हम बाली पहुंचे इट वाज रेनिंग. एक अलग ही वाइब थी. फिर हम अपने ब्यूटीफुल स्टे सुवारा एयर लग्जरी रिसोर्ट पहुंचे और ओह माय गॉड क्या ड्रीमी जगह थी, स्पेशली बारिश के टाइम. तो गाइस ये तो शुरुआत है. स्टे ट्यून फॉर आवर अमेजिंग बाली एडवेंचर.
Yes.
Take this first.
Yes.
You can to enjoy first the welcome drink, and then you can to go into the room.
Yes. Thank you. Namaste. Welcome to Bali.
Thank you. The next day.
वेलकम यू ऑल टू दी बाली. हम लोग अभी सुवारा एयर लग्जरी रिसोर्ट में हैं और ये हमारा विला है. आप देख सकते हो हमारे साथ ये प्राइवेट पूल भी है. तो मैं आपको चलो विला टूर करवाती हूँ. लेकिन अंदर का मैंने आपको ऑलरेडी रात को दिखा दिया क्योंकि अभी सब बिखरा पड़ा है. तो ये है प्राइवेट पूल जो कि हमने अभी तक यूज़ नहीं किया है. बारिश हो रही है, कल से हम आए हैं तब से बारिश हो रही है, पता नहीं कब तक होगा. तो हम लोग सोच रहे हैं कल यहाँ पे इंजॉय करें, फ्लोटिंग ब्रेकफास्ट ले. और साथ ही में आप देख सकते हैं इतना सुंदर बैकयार्ड भी है यहाँ पीछे. ये रिसोर्ट में आपको चारों तरफ पानी के झरने की आवाज़ सुनाई देगी. यहाँ पे इतना मस्त वेदर है. ये पूरा जंगल के बीच में है. तो आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा वाटरफॉल है, वो मैं आपको आगे दिखाती हूँ. तो पूरे दिन ये आवाज़ आती रहती है. और यहाँ पे 2 स्विमिंग पूल है. एक मैंने आगे दिखाया और दूसरा वाला ये थोड़ा छोटा है, वो थोड़ा बड़ा है. मैं आपको आगे बोल रही थी कि यहाँ पे वाटरफॉल है, तो आप सुन सकते हो उसका आवाज़, और मैं आपको वाटरफॉल भी दिखाती हूँ. लेट्स गो. Thank you, Budi.
You're welcome. Yes, please. Oh, itu main. Thank you. Thank you, Miss. Oh, mau katek tuh. Aja pindah bisa aja.
बाली का फेमस स्विंग एक्सपीरियंस एक ऐसा एडवेंचर जो थ्रिल और ब्यूटी दोनों का कॉम्बो है. जैसे आप स्विंग पे बैठते हो, नीचे लश ग्रीन जंगल और आगे का खुला व्यू बस एकदम मैजिकल फील देता है. और यहाँ फोटोग्राफी के लिए अलग ही लेवल का सेटअप होता है. लॉन्ग फ्लोइंग गाउन पहनो, हवा में उछलो और एक फेरी टेल जैसा फील हो. ये शॉट्स इंस्टाग्राम परफेक्ट होते हैं. सोलो या कपल शॉट्स दोनों के लिए परफेक्ट है. बैकग्राउंड में ट्रॉपिकल वाइब्स और आपका ड्रीमी लुक, बस एकदम पोस्ट कार्ड वाली फोटो. और सिर्फ स्विंग ही नहीं, बाली के टेरेस राइस फील्ड्स भी देखने का एक अलग ही मजा है. ये ग्रीनरी देख के एक इंस्टेंट सुकून मिलता है. नेचर की ब्यूटी को फील करना एक प्राइसलेस मोमेंट होता है.
Scary?
At the middle, I feel scary, but then okay. It was good experience.
तो अगर आप बाली जा रहे हो, बाली स्विंग और राइस टेरेसेस को मिस मत करना. ये एक ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस है जो सिर्फ यादों में नहीं, फोटोज और दिल दोनों में बसा रहेगा.
We will start it from inside here, yeah? So in here we doesn't just grow up coffee. Also we have another for our product. Like this one we have cacao.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, this is cacao. The cacao tree that the pots we're using for chocolate, cacao powder, and also for the product chocolate coffee.
Okay.
Yeah, later that you can try it. This is the chocolate coffee. We mix chocolate, the cacao powder with coffee, and then soya cream also sugar.
Okay.
I think you will be like it. Yeah, this is the pot. But if you want to get like a picture for
This
better,
one.
we get it inside. Like really, you can see it in front of you.
So this is the small version.
Yeah. So this is the also coffee, and we will start it so you can get like a lot of red color. Yeah, because it's still young. We
I
cannot
think this
harvest
is
for
what
the
they
green
eat, right?
beans.
The animal.
Animal
No.
day? No.
The animal will be eating like a really red beans.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, later I will show you.
This.
Yeah, almost ready.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, later I will show you over there. We have it a lot. Yeah, these are the coffee tree that we're using. So we grow up to different type of coffee tree. Like this one, if they have higher and also they have like a big leaf but small beans, it was the Robusta coffee. Like a
okay.
Colombian coffee. This is the bitter coffee with high caffeine, like 5%.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so if you have like a heart trouble or like cholesterol and diabetes, it doesn't recommend it to make it coffee like really strong, like an espresso. Yeah, or you can make it like a coffee flavor with milk and also sugar like your coffee.
Oh, okay. Here you have so many.
Yeah, but all not ready yet.
Ready yet, yeah.
Ready, yeah. And luwak, they eat this one. Even the coffee cherry, they have like watery and like slimy. They like this taste. And also they will choose the best and yummy coffee cherries of Arabica and get it like really watery. I think this one, yeah. Yeah, it will be. This is the ready one.
We can eat.
Yeah, you also can eat.
Okay.
Yeah, like here. Because this is Arabica coffee, they have like a sweet taste and watery taste. Also can try it, Mom.
It tastes same like coffee?
It's like fruit.
Fruit.
Yeah, it's like they call it coffee cherries, no coffee beans.
Beans,
So
okay.
the coffee beans, they coming from inside of the cherries. The stone that one, we grow up like a turmeric.
Everything we used to have.
Yeah,
This is turmeric.
Yeah,
Yes.
we're using for the tea because in Bali, you cannot found tea garden.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, so in Indonesia, mostly they have more than 100 islands. But Bali was the one island doesn't have tea garden. So if you want to get it tea or the tea leaf, you can get it from Java. Yeah, they have a lot of tea garden in West Java.
Okay.
Yeah, that was the like a best producer of tea leaf in here.
So it's a lemongrass. This
Yeah,
one.
so lemongrass. Here we also use for the tea because lemongrass good for the antidepressant and also good for the anti-inflammation. Here you can smell.
Yes. Yes. It smells like some herbs.
That's
Yes.
right.
Yeah.
And also good for the digestion. If you get
Yes.
like a belly, you can drink it.
Yes.
Yeah, and beside in here you can see it of ginger.
Oh.
Yeah, this is the ginger, but it's a red ginger. So when you smell it and you taste it later, it will be really strong.
So in not hard form, in a leaf form, there is a ginger. This one.
So in here we give you a sample with leaf, but we make it into the tea that was the
The
root.
same smells like ginger. See?
Yeah, if you want to get a tea
This
of
is the brown one, like.
no, this is a red one over there. Yeah, this is the root.
Wow.
Ah, okay. Yeah, roots
Yeah,
are
the
there.
roots. We will harvest and then we clean, we chop. Yeah, after we chop, we have like a big press. So we press the ginger after chopping and we get the extract. We mix it into the powder.
Okay.
Yeah, so when you drink this tea, it's like an instant tea, but you still get like a natural tea without chemical.
Yes.
Okay, we get it inside. Be helping for your noses.
Yes. Every morning we drink ginger, lemon, and turmeric.
Ah,
Yeah.
I got it, like a herbal tea
Like
mix.
herbal tea. Yeah.
Got it. You drink with milk or just
No, just
pure?
water.
Oh, just
Hot
water.
boiled water. Yeah, boiled
Got
water.
it. Beside in here, you can see it. There's a rosella flower.
Oh,
Do you know rosella? Hibiscus?
not sure.
So,
Hibiscus, yes.
Yeah, this is
that's
the
one.
hibiscus tree.
Okay.
So this is like a smaller hibiscus. In Indonesia, you can find it some kind of hibiscus. They have like a small but not this one. Yeah, this will be get bigger, and also it doesn't have filters. But also they have like a bigger one, and also they have like a filters. So when you want to make it, you need to washing first.
What is this used for?
Yeah, in here we make it into tea because they are good for diabetes, hepatitis B, and also they are good for diet and hangover. Yeah, but also mostly it's famous like a jam or like a cocktail. Yeah, like a Rasela mojito.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, but for the tea, they
Are we going to
good for the
taste?
hangover. Yeah, you can try it later.
Okay.
And this one the vanilla tree.
Oh, okay.
Like the ice cream, vanilla?
No, it's essence.
Yeah, vanilla ice cream mostly they use essence
Essence.
use
because
for beer.
the stick is really expensive, right?
So how they make vanilla?
Yeah, so vanilla is like an orchid family. So they need to waiting around 2 until 5 years to get pollination, and after they get pollinate in here, like over here, they will coming into like a white flower. And after the white flower, they get pollinate again. They will become like a coming green beans.
Okay.
So vanilla actually is not black.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, they will getting black after they get like really already old, and then they harvest, they dry. Yeah,
And
but
then they put juice out of it
yeah,
from the
mostly
beans.
the vanilla they just take it a little bit and make it like essence.
Okay.
Yeah, but in here we make it into the powder, and we make it powder mixed with coffee. Yeah, it's like a coffee flavor.
So you have that flavor also.
That's right. And over here, this is the ginseng.
Oh, it's
Do
the
you know
first time I've
ginseng?
heard. No, this is the first time.
Yeah, so this is the like a herbal coming from Korea mostly. Yeah, they use a lot and good for stamina, energy, and then also good for brain memories, and especially they good for skin and hair.
Oh, okay.
So this is the animal.
Ah, luwak.
Yeah, luwak. In here we keep it just one. It's only for show, like a sample, because we don't want to abuse the animal. Yeah, if we produce coffee from the animal in the cages, the animal will be get stressed and will be not good for the quality.
So you keep only one?
Yeah, sometimes we open the door and sometimes we change it.
No, but they should be have some partner, right? So they enjoy.
Yeah, we still looking for the partner. Yeah, but coming from the baby, we want to take care, so they will get like a friendly. If we just get it already big, they get already since like a aggressive animal. They can scratch until bite you.
Oh, okay.
It's why we keep it just since a baby like this one. It's why he get friendly. I can touch. Dochi. Yeah. So this animal different with mongoose. Actually, this animal was a cat. There was a mountain cat. Yeah, like luwak. They only eat fruit like a banana, papaya, and for the coffee cherry.
So this is the real plantation area.
Yeah. But also it's not the bigger one. We have the bigger up of the mountain, more than 1,000 feet, around 25 hectares.
Ah,
It's why
okay.
the animal we have more than 100. They still wild and free. This is the sample of the poop coming from the animal. Yeah, they get the poop like this because when the animal eat the coffee cherries, they doesn't chew it. They only press the skin inside of the mouth. If they taste good, they swallow and fermentation with the special enzyme. So they cannot digest. They only ferment it and then get the caffeine for energy.
Oh.
Yeah, it's why after they get poop eat, the coffee from the animal will be strong taste but low caffeine, only half until 1%.
Oh.
Yeah, after they get like that, we need to wash more than 3 times until they get really clean, like in here. Yeah. So this is they look like of the male and female. Yeah, if they have like a double normally and they have flat, this is female beans.
Okay.
Yeah, if you
These are female and
and this
male
one, if they have like a single and like a round, this is the male one.
okay.
Yeah, we separate because they will be have like a different taste.
Okay, let me smell.
Yeah, you can smell.
Let me smell also.
Okay, this is the male one. And right now you can smell the female.
This much is stronger. Huh?
I think male one is stronger, right?
That's right.
Yeah.
You get it? Yes. Yeah, which one you thinking stronger, sir? Female. And right now also you can smell it, another coffee in here. It's coming from different islands. Two from Bali, like a Kintamani, Arabica, and Robusta. Also two from different islands.
Traditional way to grind the coffee.
Yeah. In Balinese we call it lasung.
Lasso.
Yeah.
In our language we call it khal.
Ah.
This is purely traditional way of making coffee, huh?
Yeah, they sweet.
Now it's sweet?
Real cinnamon get, like some country they get it expensive. Yeah, cause when they get already harvest, the bug it doesn't coming again. So when I explain for you, you also can try the welcome drink. Also while you waiting for the luwak coffee. For the black coffee, you get number 1 until 4. This coffee without anything, coming from different island you smell, like from Toraja, Sulawesi Island, Gayo Aceh, Sumatra, Kintamani, Bali, Arabica, and Robusta. Also, you get coffee with milk and sugar, but no cow milk. They coming with the soya cream and coconut milk, like coconut coffee, vanilla, chocolate, ginseng, and avocado. Another side, you get some tea, like a turmeric tea, ginger, lemongrass, mangosteen, rosella, and hibiscus tea. And they are already sweet.
Okay. So you'll have to yes. Yes. Very nice.
Yeah. Here already with filter, and then where we keep it this one to hanging the filter to stay, and this one machine. This is the fire. Yeah, we're using fire. It's coming from like a liquid. Yeah, so we will turn on the fire. We close to save the fire, and then waiting until the water boiling. And after the water boiling, we will standing like this. Yeah, and water will be coming up to steam the coffee. So this is the package of the female luwak coffee. Yeah.
So finally he is trying female.
Yeah.
Female coffee. But this is not stronger, huh? Sneh?
It depends of people, yeah. And you can smell again of the female luwak coffee.
Banana chip. Okay.
From the smell, it feels stronger.
From the smell will stronger.
Yeah.
But if you feel it's really strong, later you also can put it on sugar.
Oh, okay. Here I'm trying luwak coffee, a coffee from a potty. और वो भी लुवाक एनिमल है उसकी. ठीक है, तो चलो ट्राई करते हैं. बहुत कड़वा है, बहुत ही कुछ ज़्यादा ही, बट मस्त है. जिसको कॉफ़ी पसंद है उसके लिए परफेक्ट. और एक टेस्ट अभी जो हमने ट्राई किया है ना, वो फीमेल बीन्स का हमने ट्राई किया. बोलते हैं मेल बीन्स होते हैं वो तो और स्ट्रॉन्गर होता है, बट हमने अभी फ़िलहाल यही ट्राई किया है. और ये सारे देखो, अराउंड 16 कॉफ़ी सैम्पल्स, लेमन ग्रास, फिर ये हो गया विच वन, टर्मरिक. टर्मरिक बहुत मस्त है जो मैंने ट्राई किया है. ये देखो आप, एकदम ओरिजिनल टर्मरिक. फिर ये जिंजर भी मस्त है, ये वाला. एंड दूसरा ये वनीला कॉफ़ी. ख़त्म हो गया, मैंने पी लिया सारा, बट वो भी मस्त है. अभी फ़िलहाल ये एंजॉय करते हैं. और आप देख सकते हो पीछे का ये पूरा व्यू.
Yeah, so this is the mixed package. You get it like a 1 turmeric, lemongrass, and then ginger and rosella. So they are like a 4 package inside. You can use it 1 sachet for 2 cups.
I think this is better.
Yeah.
I'll take. How much for this?
This one the price 140,000 rupiah.
Okay.
Yeah, also we have like a single package if you want to make it more at home. Yeah, the smaller we have 100 gram and then the bigger one we have 200 gram.
Okay, see, one I will take this one, which has 4 packets, and
Yeah.
this one lemongrass.
Do you
This
want
how much?
lemongrass sugar or no sugar?
No sugar, I think.
For the
You can add honey, right?
you can add honey for no
Yes.
sugar.
No sugar.
Yeah,
No
so
sugar.
the no sugar they have similar price with this one.
Okay.
Yeah, like this. Similar price 140,000 rupiah.
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, let's take
Add and
ginseng.
drink, I will drink. Huh?
Okay. You get this
Okay,
one.
we'll take one ginseng then.
Yeah, this one ginseng.
Yes,
and also
and this
about
one.
this
Yeah.
one
two.
this. You don't want to get anything else?
No, that's it.
Okay.
Sneh, here they have fragrance stick. Come. तो हम लोग यहाँ लंच करने आए हैं एंड यहाँ पे हम लोग बाहर की साइड बैठने वाले हैं क्योंकि एक चीज़ है जो मैं आपको दिखाना चाह रही हूँ। हमारा जो लंच होने वाला है वो वॉल्केनो व्यू के साथ होगा। सो लेट्स गो।
What's the name of that volcano?
The volcano, the name of this volcano is the Batur volcano. Have a height about 17 meters from the sea level, and that is the biggest lake in Bali. Also the same name, the Batur Lake as well. And next after this mountain is the biggest volcano. It has not a lot of fog. You can see the two volcanoes.
Yes, now because of the fog it's not visible,
Yes,
right?
yes.
सो ये जो रेस्टोरेंट है यहाँ पे एक बहुत ही मस्त व्यू है। आपको मेरे पीछे दिख रहा है माउंटेन, उसके पीछे लाइव वॉल्केनो है, लेकिन अभी फॉग है उसकी वजह से दिख नहीं रहा है। और वो जो है लेक, उसको बातुर लेक बोलते हैं। एक बहुत ही मस्त जगह है ये रेस्टोरेंट। एंड बस हम लोगों ने अभी लंच किया, अभी विल गो टू द नेक्स्ट डेस्टिनेशन। और ऐसे व्यूइंग डेक बनाया है, ग्लास वॉक है, आप नीचे देख सकते हो। अच्छी जगह है, मस्त एकदम। हम लोग एंजॉय कर रहे हैं, बारिश वाला माहौल है। हम लोग जब से आए तब से बारिश हो रही है, तो इट्स अ हैप्पी वेदर। This one how much for entry?
20,000.
20,000. Okay.
तो आइए मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ बाली के वन ऑफ द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल वाटरफॉल्स, तैगेनुंगन वाटरफॉल। ये वाटरफॉल लश ग्रीन जंगल के बीच में लोकेटेड है, जहाँ का सीनिक व्यू और रिफ्रेशिंग वाइब्स एकदम मैजिकल लगता है। जैसे ही आप यहाँ पहुँचते हो, गशिंग वाटर की साउंड और फ्रेश मिस्ट एक पीसफुल वाइब देते हैं। अगर आप नेचर लवर हो तो ये स्पॉट परफेक्ट है। यहाँ आप स्विमिंग, फोटोग्राफी या बस रिलैक्स करके नेचर एंजॉय कर सकते हो। और हाँ, सनराइज और सनसेट के टाइम यहाँ का व्यू और भी ड्रीमी लगता है। लकी वी आर, हमने यहाँ वाटरफॉल के बिल्कुल नीचे ब्यूटीफुल रेनबो स्पॉट किया। ये मोमेंट एकदम मैजिकल था, नेचर का एक प्योर ब्लेसिंग। ऐसे मेस्मराइज व्यू के बाद एक आइसक्रीम तो बनती है, क्योंकि ये छोटी छोटी चीज़ें ही ट्रिप को स्पेशल और डीप मेमोरीज में कन्वर्ट करता है।
For the first process, we make up the batik. We prepare white material, is the cotton, and then the artist draw design by pencil, and then we covering design by hot wax to protect the design. This is the wax we get from the bee wax. This is for example. And then after wax, we coloring one by one is the natural color and chemical color, and then after color we keep the color. We block with wax again to protect the color. So the process batik, more color, more wax, more design, more wax again. And then the last process, we boiling hot water to remove all the wax until wax come out and the color stay on the material. This is the wax. We get from the bee wax, we melt it until we get hot wax. And this is skin of mangosteen fruit for the maroon color. And this is skin of avocado for the green color. And the chicklet for the blue color. And zinc for the brown color. And this is rosella for the red color. And turmeric for the yellow color. Okay. For the natural.
Welcome in here in our place. In here, this is our workshop. Make it silver jewelry. May I know where are you from?
Yeah.
Before you see our collection inside, I will give you information about how do I processing silver in here. About the material like this one, this is pure silver. This is 100% silver. How about silver, gold and stone? We don't have in Bali, or we import from Borneo Island and sometimes from the other island in Indonesia. After in Bali, we make up 7.5% copper, become 92.5%, become sterling silver. We don't use 100 because if 100% still too soft. And then the first process, this silver and copper, this we put together. Burning by the fire until liquid, put on the print, become silver block. Yeah. From this one, we hammering and then we roll by the machine. We roll until thin, become silver plate. And then from silver plate, this one we scan to make style what I want to make it earring, bracelet, ring, and so on. And then from silver plate, this we cut around, pull the printer from big size until small size, become silver wire. And then from silver wire, this we cut bit by bit, put on the wood, burning by the fire, make it silver bowl. Silver wire and silver bowl, we stick one by one, use a glue, make it stronger, we solder again. And then last process for the clean, we must clean, use tamarind fruit, salt, water, and then we brush, this is wire brushes, make it white color.
बाली सिर्फ बीचेस और टेम्पल्स के लिए नहीं है, बाकी अपने रिच कल्चर, हैंडीक्राफ्ट्स एंड ज्वेलरी के लिए भी काफ़ी फेमस है। यहाँ आपको हैंडमेड बाटिक फैब्रिक्स, ट्रेडिशनल बालीनेस पेंटिंग्स और यूनिक सिल्वर एंड गोल्ड ज्वेलरी देखने को मिलेगी। लोकल आर्टिसंस का काम देखना एक अलग ही एक्सपीरियंस है, जो बाली की कल्चर हेरिटेज को और भी स्पेशल बनाता है। तो ये था एक ग्लिम्स ऑफ बालीज लोकल आर्ट एंड कल्चर। कैसी लगी ये जगह? कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताना।
Yes, you're welcome. Okay. Okay. Welcome to our village temple. Actually, Bali we have 3 different types of temple. We have family temple, we have the village temple, and then we have the public temple. So the name of this temple is the Batuan Village Temple.
Okay.
It's not all open. Not all the village temple open for the tourists like this temple. So only this temple open for tourists, where we can introduce our culture and our tradition. Usually we do. Even we have pray in this temple.
Okay.
We have also meaning of this 4 of this statue. The meaning is the guardian.
Okay.
And our god is like the wind. We can like herring, but we cannot see them. It's like a windies.
Okay.
ये टेम्पल 11th सेंचुरी का है जो लॉर्ड विष्णु को डेडिकेट किया गया है। ये बालीनेस हिंदू आर्किटेक्चर का एक मास्टरपीस है जिसमें इंट्रिकेट स्टोन कार्विंग्स, ट्रेडिशनल स्प्लिट गेट्स और एंशिएंट स्टैचूज देखने को मिलते हैं। टेम्पल विजिट के लिए सारोंग पहनना मैंडेटरी है जो एंट्री पर अवेलेबल होता है। यहाँ आपको बाली के रिच कल्चर एंड स्पिरिचुअलिटी का रियल एसेंस फील होगा।
So which one we are taking? Balinese, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
बाली ट्रिप का एक मस्ट ट्राई एक्सपीरियंस। बाली आए और मसाज ना करवाए तो ट्रिप अधूरा है। जैसे ही थेरापी स्टार्ट होती है, वार्म एसेंशियल ऑयल और एक्सपर्ट हैंड्स का मैजिक शुरू। सॉफ्ट म्यूजिक, ट्रॉपिकल वाइब्स और डीप टिश्यू मसाज, एक अलग ही सुकून का एक्सपीरियंस।